Here we have the USC nitrogen welding system. It's hooked up to an air compressor and it's also hooked up to a nitrogen tank. The nitrogen tank is not included on this cell. Now we're gonna show you that it works here. It has another heater right here. It's electric, but it doesn't have a tip. That one hooks up to 120, and that one works. But right now we are preheating the one that has the air and nitrogen hooked up to it. So first we'll do a small weld with the hot air, and then we'll change it over to nitrogen. Okay, now we'll change it over to nitrogen. Right over here, it's got a switch. So right now we push for air, so it's down. So now we go up. Now we're gonna do a nitrogen. And we'll do one more here.